Cat's Antiques. See, they're awesome.
You're not.
Is that wrestler autographs?
No, you won't.
Just trying to read what it is. TUIs. Smile, you're being watched. Love it. Already? They vanish on it. Puff of smoke. Laces out. I think I had that guy. You worry me. What are you playing with now? What is it? It's like a shark. Is that a Batman? Just Batman?
It looks pretty.
Freaking Bill Clinton. How'd you know?
Haters gonna hate.
Look, pop guys. Yep. I call them pop guys.
You're a pop guy.
What do I have to try? It says try me. Oh, I'm scared to touch it too much. What? The what? That's awesome. Bit of a Halloween section. $10 for a Funko?
I mean, Funkos are like $15.
No, that's what I'm saying. It's actually kind of cheap. It's actually a good price. Wizards. Used to have them. You said there's multiple floors here. Judging from the outside, there's not multiple floors here. What are you doing?
Over here?
Did you almost trip?
No.
Look like you almost went down.
I didn't.
Hello. Super top secret.
Super top secret.
Did my thing die?
You probably do.
Oh. Turn that on later. Not needed here. Pedal power.
Can't handle you. Look at all this
Not many things can.
stuff over here.
Shadow stuff.
Yeah, some of the electronic over here.
Is that Mario Punisher? That's pretty cool, actually.
There's even a Sonic Wolverine over here.
That's pretty unique.
They even have a little Pikachu Loki over here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, he's 22. Very lightish. 33. 33. 17.
I'm looking away now.
You would. Nah. Duck Wolverine. Somebody's got some creativeness here. Can't find that anywhere. Loki Pikachu. Thor. You're excited about that, aren't you? Okay. I'm wrong. There's it upstairs. What? Game controllers. Tell my footage is. I hate that. What does that mean? Does that mean anything? They mean if my top of my foot itches?
Uh-huh. But they're blue.
That's kind of cool. How much? How much is blue?
$5.
$5.
$5.
Xbox? You want an Xbox? Look at the whole package. Looks like it's $60. If I'm reading it right. Nope. Oh, that kind of time. I'm probably not reading. Should on the video just in case. I'll read that later. Reading comprehension and all that. Ooh, in sync. It's kind of cool, right?
It's probably from your house
From my
dragon.
what? From my house drag.
You like this stuff.
Yeah, there we go. Do 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 do. Squirrel, squirrel. Are you throwing it on the floor?
That's where it was.
So rude. Do it again. He just like doing it. It's awesome. Avengers. The last good Marvel movie.
I see balloons.
What?
I see balloons.
Jess Rose Hole.
Let's get another Coca-Cola there.
Here you go. She'll love it.
This one was better than the one Dave's ex-girlfriend got her.
It's pretty cool,
This better.
right? Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Baby nut.
You're a nut. Flash. Oh.
Have a great one.
Hello, winter. We don't want to say that anytime soon. Then again, it has been hot. I might take it. To infinity and beyond.
Yeah, they got kernel bag.
Harry Potter's. It's kind of cool. Cool. Some awesomeness in here. Get into the groove. You gotta prove. Star Wars. Place is complete without comic books. Stitch is always cool.
There's a Darth Maul figure over there.
What? The last coolest villain is Star Wars.
Do another lap downstairs.
The Burgle. Girl Scouts. There's all looking out the windows. Definitely an awesome Joker.
This is $40.
Critters.
Yeah.
$40.
Yeah.
God Lord. Frame Roger Rabbit. Hey, 10% off. Got Alf. Mr. Alien Lifeform. Rowdy Roddy Piper. Love it.
Very cool.
Always.
Sorry.
Alright, no worries.
Yeah.